Now for tomato update. My black beauty is growing tall right over the fence. I think it's the only one I have going over the fence. But sadly, we only have one more tomato. That's my last one. It puts out blooms and I do the little pollinating thingy, but they all dry up. So I don't know if I'll get any more. I'm gonna keep it alive for a little while longer and see. My Bella Rosas are getting pretty large. And that one's finally starting to turn color, so I'm really excited because I still haven't had one single Bella Rosa. My Romas, it's phenomenal what this little plant can put out. It is so short and kind of sick, and it is just like busting out tomatoes. My indigo blue chocolate is doing amazing. I really have no complaints with this plant. I love these tomatoes. They're probably my favorite variety this year. They are really slow to ripen. I don't know why, but I mean, worth it for the taste, worth it. My sweet millions, we have more clusters coming in, and I think it's kind of sad that this first cluster is almost done. I'm like really sentimental person, and that makes me sad. But we have more. My Marglobe plant, oh my gosh, it looks so bad, but it's giving tomatoes. It's giving its best. And if I'm being so honest, you guys, this white Kilimanjaro marigold kind of grew on me. I still don't think they're like that pretty, but something about like the white flowers against all the red tomatoes, I don't know, it's a whole vibe. Maybe if they had their own pots, I would like them more. But because they were starting to compromise my tomatoes, that's why I was like cutthroat. I didn't like them. My black Krim, we harvested my first one the other day. Well, not my first one, I grew them last year, but my first one this year we harvested already. My ugly one is starting to crack, so I'll have to get it soon. That one is starting to crack, so I'll have to get it soon. And then coming over to these tomatoes, y'all, planting these Cherokee Sunset Rudbeckias in with my tomatoes has to be like the best gardening decision I've ever made. Look at how pretty it is. Just seeing all the different Rudbeckias in here. This Marglobe is like skin and bones because I just keep picking off the dead leaves. Literally, skin and bones. No leaves, only tomatoes. And then this Bella Rosa plant is also doing fine. That one's barely starting to turn color. I'm ready to try these. That's a good shot. I'm just showing off my tomatoes and Rudbeckias at this point.